What's up, everybody? I'm Scotty Lowe. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, hello. Glad to meet you. So we're out here on the countryside where I just bought a house, which I'm on the way to it right now. It's got a lot of work it needs done to it, but we'll get it done. We're gonna tear down some walls, put up a ceiling, tear down a ceiling, and put up a ceiling. But we're gonna get it done this weekend. So stay tuned and check out the progress. Like and subscribe. Always. Thank you, guys.